So we're going to get started. First, we're going to start with Macy. And Macy. Oh, thank you very much. Can you bring that here to me? Thank you very much. Oh, you dropped it. Sorry. You better bring it up here. Yes, thank you. Oh. Thank you very much, Macy.
That's perfect. I want these dolls.
So sometimes I need more than one Kleenex. A lot of times I need 2 or 3 Kleenex. Oh, thanks, Macy. Where's my bum? My bum? Where? Oh, okay. Thanks very much. So, yeah. So, Macy, after all that excitement, why don't you lie down? Why don't you lie down? And why don't you go to sleep for a while? Want to go to sleep? Oh, wait. You've been very tired when you're cold, so. And very good. Okay, that's enough, Macy. Can you do a little spin? Can you do a spin? Oh, very nice. Spin back. Good for you. Oh, you got... Get close. Step. Sit.
She almost slid into it. Every time she moves closer.
Back down. Back down. Back down. Back down. Sit. Back sit. Back sit. Back. Back sit.
Back zit.
Good girl. Sit. Get close. Can you stretch? Stretch. There you go.
How's your teacher?
Good girl. Excellent.
Dude, you're like killing yourself.
That's perfect.
Oh, good try. There you there you go. Good girl. Good. That was pretty good.
I played so many games.
So cheating.
That sucks.
I'll stand in front of her so she can't share. You got it? Got it up here? Oh, fine. Oh, you gave her a heads up. Ha-ha! Good. Okay, perfect. Great. Come on,
No.
she can. Hey, might have a hard time putting the lid down, that's all, right?
I think Tyler could make it work.
Get in your box. Get in your box, sit. There we go. How was that, eh? Put it in her box. Whoopsie. Get it. One more time. Whoopsie. One more time. Good. Can you hear the other 2 crying? Because they want to come up and do it too. They like their lesson. Okay, sit. Sit. Stand back. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. Good girl. Sit. And Savita knows how to. Wear her sunglasses. Okay. Stay. Anything,
I'm
girls?
just chilling.
What do you think?
He just
Pretty
rolls
nice
with
looking
it.
dog.
I just roll. Now I really want the dog.
Okay.
He just rolls with stuff.
All right.
That's cool.